You're welcome to Mic Engineering. So, for today's class, I'll be educating us and taking us through some of the prerequisites, some of the common things that we need to know as engineers. So, I'll be making a video of this and I'll be explaining what these components are meant for. So, this is a distribution board. What you've seen here is a distribution board, and there are so many things inside. You have your circuit breaker, you have your, this is a three phase, and it's industrial use because it has three phases. That means you can use this to supply your electric motor that has three phases, and it's basically for industrial use. So now this is also a distribution board, and this is just the normal distribution board that you can use in your houses, in the hotels, in the anywhere around the house for domestic use. Now this one now is the normal distribution board that supplies to sockets, supplies to your TV, supplies to the house, lighting points, depending on the amps, supplies sockets, supply lightning, and some other places around your house. And you know this to be the socket. Now these are the conductors, the electrical conductors that help in transferring current from one location to another. So we'll keep it very short on our today's. So what I would love you to do is to subscribe to the channel to keep enjoying and receiving so much lectures from Mic Engineering.